In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meta ad campaign in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. We'll cover everything from setting up your campaign to choosing the right audience and creative elements, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Ads Manager, your central hub for managing all of your meta ad campaigns. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the plus create button. This is your starting point for building a new campaign. It's an exciting moment as this is where you'll actually set your objectives and start bringing your ad vision to life. Your next task is to select the campaign objective. Depending on your business goals, you might choose objectives like sales, leads, or engagement, among others. This choice is crucial as it dictates how Meta will optimize your ad delivery to best meet your goals. For example, if you're looking to boost sales, choosing the sales objective will ensure your ads are shown to people who are most likely to make a purchase. Now, on to setting your budget and schedule. You'll want to carefully consider how much you're willing to spend on your campaign and over what time frame. Setting a daily or lifetime budget can help you control costs while ensuring your ads run for the duration that makes the most sense for your objectives. Remember, your budget determines your ad's potential reach and impact, so think strategically about scale and scope. Next, you'll move on to choosing your ad placements. Meta offers a variety of placements across its platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. You can let Meta automatically select the most efficient placements, or you can manually pick where you'd prefer your ads to appear. Each platform has its own strengths, so tailor your choices. This is according to where your target audience is most active. Defining your audience is a vital step in crafting a successful campaign. You'll want to be as specific as possible by selecting the demographics, interests, and behaviors that characterize your ideal consumer. Think about factors like age, gender, location, and interests. The more precisely you define your audience, the better your ad will perform. Finally, it's time to create or select your ad creative. This is where you can get really creative, choosing engaging visuals, compelling text, and a call to action that resonates with your target audience. Ensure your creative aligns with your campaign objective and entices viewers to take the desired action. And there you have it, a comprehensive approach to creating an effective meta ad campaign in 2025. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to reaching your marketing goals. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.